Hello everyone, welcome to Cassandra's Chinese Food Kitchen. Today we are making steamed chicken thighs. You will need chicken thighs. I recommend the already chopped ones, but I can't buy this kind in China, so I only have this. We need to chop it by myself. Scallions, ginger, starch, and soy sauce. You will also need Chinese cooking wine. If you don't have it, you can use a little white wine, Japanese same, or a very small amount of rum mixed with water, but don't use too much. We don't want the alcohol flavor to be so strong. After chopping the bone, I need to cut the chicken into smaller pieces. Put the chicken into a bowl. Add a little cooking wine into the chicken. Add a small pinch of salt. We don't need very much because we will add some soy sauce later. Cut some scallions and ginger. Mix everything well with your hand. Let's marinate for a while. Now let's make the sauce. Put about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce into a small bowl. Then cut more scallions and ginger. This time, cut them into smaller pieces. And you must keep them dry. If you just wash them, pat them with kitchen paper. Make sure your pan is dry. Cassandra predicts if there is water in the pan, the oil will splatter and burn you. Add a little oil. Put the scallions and ginger in the pan. Heat them over a low heat. Stir fry the ginger and scallion. When you see small bubbles around the scallions and ginger and you can smell the aroma, add the soy sauce. Stir for about 5 seconds, then turn off the heat. Pour the sauce into a bowl. This step is very safe. Look, my hands are fine, my face is fine. Water mixed with cold oil can be dangerous when you heat them together. As the oil gets hot, the water turns into steam and makes the oil splatter. So you must wipe the pot first, keeping the scallion and ginger dry. But when we pour soy sauce onto the surface of the oil, the water evaporates quickly from the surface. The hot oil also brings out the aroma of the soy sauce, make it richer. If you are worried about splitting, just add the soy sauce at the same second you turn off the fire. Now we go back to the chicken. Mix the starch with water to make a slurry. Don't use too much. We only need a thin layer on the surface of the chicken. This makes the chicken more tender. Add the slurry to the chicken. Mixing it with your hand is the best. It makes every piece coat evenly. Now put the chicken onto a plate. Add a few fresh slices of scallions and ginger. I recommend cutting new ones. Then pour the sauce. The cooked scallions and ginger gave us a warm, sweet, slightly nutty aroma. The fresh ones help reduce the meaty smell and give a fresher aroma. We need both. Now boil some water in the pot. When the water is boiling, put on a steamer or a rack like this. Turn the lowest fire. Just keep boiling is enough. If you are using boneless chicken side pieces, steam them for about 10 minutes. Bone-in chicken sides will need more time. Cut open one thick piece of chicken. If the inside is fully cooked, it is ready. It is really good, and I used to eat it a lot when I was losing weight. If you want to make it healthier, you can skip the starch and add less oil. I have to say, Chinese style light meals are really charming. I once lost 15 kilograms by cooking Chinese food for myself. The next video will also be a delicious Chinese style light meal.